DAMAVO Cigarette Lighter Charger Series. This series features multiple charging ports to power several devices simultaneously. Adjustable multi-angle rotation for flexible use in various environments. Real-time display for input or output voltage and current. YM1220, YM1443, YM1450A, YM1450B, YM1451A, YM1451B, YM1452A, YM1219, YM1099. No installation required. Works seamlessly with power adapters. Just plug in for instant power. Widely used in vehicles, equipment, marine, and various other fields. DAMAVO provide power and lighting solutions.